Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be repotting my Sansevieria Ballyi into a hanging pot. This variety is one of the more interesting types of Sansevieria because of its shape and texture. It has these really tough, pointed tips. They're beautiful but quite sharp, so you'll want to be a bit cautious when handling them. That's actually one of the reasons I decided to move it into a hanging pot. It keeps the leaves from poking anyone who passes by, and it also gives the plant a nice, cascading display, just like what I did with the mother plant. Alright, let's go ahead and start by removing it from its old pot. I'll gently loosen the soil and carefully lift the plant, making sure not to damage the roots. You might notice that the roots of Sansevieria are quite firm and spread out, but they don't like being waterlogged. That's why it's important to use a soil mix that drains really well. Now for the mix, I'm using a combination of garden soil, a bit of river sand, and plenty of rice hulls. This combination keeps the soil light, airy, and breathable. The sand improves drainage, while the rice hulls help prevent compaction over time. Sansevierias, or snake plants in general, don't need rich soil. They prefer something gritty and well-draining so the roots stay healthy. I'm also placing a small piece of paper at the bottom of the pot. This simple trick helps prevent the soil from slipping out of the drainage holes while the plant develops more roots. Eventually, the paper will decompose naturally and won't harm the plant at all. Now I'll carefully position the plant in the center of the pot and start filling in the soil around it. I'll press it down just enough to keep the plant snug and upright, but not too tight so the roots can still breathe. And there we go, our Sansevieria Ballyi is now repotted into its new hanging home. Not only does this setup keep the plant safe and tidy, but it also adds a touch of greenery to any corner or balcony. And just a quick tip, I won't be watering it right away. Since the roots may have been slightly disturbed during repotting, it's best to wait about 24 hours before watering. This gives the roots time to heal and helps prevent any chance of rot. After a day, I'll water it lightly to help the soil settle. And there we go, our Sansevieria Ballyi is all set in its new hanging home. This hardy, low-maintenance plant will thrive in bright, indirect light and only needs watering when the soil is completely dry. It's a great choice for busy plant lovers or anyone looking to add some modern greenery to their space. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this repotting session, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening and Sansevieria content. I also upload short videos almost every day where I share quick plant care tips and other nature-inspired ideas. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.